In America they have Route 66. In Scotland we have the A82. And while it might not be as famous, I'd argue it's just as spectacular, maybe even more so. This is 100 miles of lochs, mountains, glens, and some of the most dramatic scenery you'll find anywhere in the world. This weekend I drove it. Here's what I found. The A82 runs from Glasgow all the way up to Inverness, cutting straight through the heart of the Highlands. I started my journey heading north. My destination was the Glen Nevis caravan park, but honestly, the destination was never really the point. It's what you pass along the way that makes this drive legendary. This is Glencoe, and if you've never been, let me tell you, it hits different. These peaks are called the Three Sisters, and just behind them is a hidden valley, a place where centuries ago cattle rustlers would hide stolen livestock. The MacDonald clan used this landscape like a fortress. Looking at it now, you can see why. The thing about Glencoe is the scale. These mountains feel ancient and powerful. You're driving through what was essentially a volcanic eruption that happened 420 million years ago. And in a morning like this, with its usual Scottish weather, it's just, well, see for yourself. Let's talk about actually driving this road. It's narrow in places, tight corners, limited overtaking opportunities. In summer it's bumper to bumper with camper vans and coaches. Even now in February, you're dodging tour buses and navigating traffic that's crawling to take photos. But here's the thing, those challenges are part of what makes it memorable. You're not passively watching Scotland go by, you're engaged with it, navigating it, earning those views. And when you do pull over, when you step out and just look around, that's when it hits you. Fort William sits at the end of this stretch, right at the base of Glen Nevis, the UK's highest mountain. Can you see it? No, neither could I. Welcome to Scotland in February. The mountain's there, somewhere behind the clouds and mist, but honestly, that's the Highlands for you. Dramatic, moody, and does what it wants. The A82 doesn't just take you through mountains and glens. You're following rivers, crossing bridges, passing waterfalls. After heavy rain, and this is Scotland, so there's always heavy rain, these rivers come alive, rapids forming over ancient volcanic rock, carving through the landscape just like they have for thousands of years. I stayed nearby for the weekend, hoping the weather would clear. It didn't, but that's another video. This is Route 82. Glencoe, the rivers, the lochs and the mountains, all of it connected by this winding highland road through the heart of Scotland. So yeah, Route 82. It's not as long as Route 66 and you won't find any neon lit motels or roadside Americana, but for sheer natural beauty, for that sense of awe you get when the landscape just opens up in front of you, this road's hard to beat. If you ever find yourself in Scotland, do yourself a favour, rent a car and drive it. You won't regret it. Let me know in the comments if you've driven the A82 or if there are other roads you think I should cover. Thanks for watching folks, see you in the next one.